I'm going to be using Homestead House's milk paint in this beautiful shade of Barn Red. Check that out. Okay, I need a little bit more stirring, so I'll share how I did that. Milk paint comes in a powder form. So what you do is you mix equal amounts of powder to water in a container, give it a good mix, and let it sit for a few minutes, and you get a beautiful paint. Oh my goodness, look at that color. And you can't do any wrong with it. It doesn't leave any brush strokes. It just levels right out. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm really excited about this. That color though. Look at that beauty. So using Christmas sweater is really easy. Mark the middle of your circle, then position the snowflake right in the center, and it's perfectly centered. So let's load the stencil brush. I'm loading the brush with Fusion Mineral Paint's Raw Silk, then offloading most to create a dry to the touch stencil brush. Then I know I'm ready to stencil. So here's a stencil tip. First, I like to start on the stencil itself. Kind of gives you a heads up on how much intensity is on the brush, and then move to the stencil itself. How adorable. So to continue the pattern, you just line up the stencil to like-minded stenciled images and continue on.